Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit.
Hey vlog, I can't believe it's week 2 already, y'all. Like, a week has passed and your girl still alive and kicking. Okay, anyways, I have class at 12 today, so I woke up around like 9:30 ish so that I can clean this room and get a few papers ready for my professor and my advisor. Also, it's my dad's birthday today and I picked up an extra shift. I know that don't make no sense, but I forgot. Anyways, later today we're gonna see if we could try and take him to dinner. He'll probably say no because he's so old school, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm just gonna get ready right after school before I head to my next shift, and that'll make it easier. That way I don't have to come back home, get ready, do the whole makeup thing. I could do it before I head to work at 6 o'clock. So this is the rundown for today, y'all. Oh, and I also have to read the next chapter before this man gets on me, because I think he's gonna be done with chapter 2 today and get started with chapter 8, and I did not read chapter 8 at all. So there's that. Anyways, I gotta run and clean this room because I've been wasting time trying to record the intro. So yeah, it's already 10 o'clock, 9:50 now. No bueno. Anyways, bye y'all. Big though. You know me, I like it big. I like it big. You gotta think big, bitch. Think big.
Let me know how you feel after a week of taking them. I don't know. I can tell the difference.
What?
With the vitamin D. I don't know, for some reason.
What do you feel?
I feel a little bit more happy.
Leave me alone.
What's making me happy then? Because
I don't know, you're probably doing something, you know, keeping yourself busy, but it's definitely, I'll blame it on the gym or something else, but you telling me it's the vitamin D. That's some different kind of vitamin D. Unless you're getting some other type of vitamin D, I don't know.
I'm not getting no other type of vitamin D, girl. I repeat, do not have your vitamins without food. I literally had to run and make this because I felt like I was about to throw up. It's bad. Make sure you eat before you take your vitamins.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in a vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Triple threat, you a boss, you a bank, you a beast.
I'm going to start having quizzes very soon. I only have $2 worth of printing credit left, so they'll maybe start next week. But as soon as I can, we're going to have the old 10-question quiz again. Textbook, slides, notes. All right. So if you want to pass the course, be prepared. So what are we doing here? What do we know about the medical director? Does the medical director work for the hospital? Is the medical director paid by the hospital? Is the technical director paid by the medical director? Do we know any of this, yes or no? Who pays the technical director? The medical director or the hospital? Nobody knows, right? Because you haven't read it, you haven't thought about it. So if I told you to put everything on the floor and take a paper and I'll give you a quiz question on that, nobody would get it right. Because you don't care, you think it's a lot of crap. Okay, good. I'm too busy to look at your damn slides. They're a waste of my time. I'm too busy to read your notes and I'm too busy to read the book. What are you doing? You have people in the hospital who say, I'm far too busy to do whatever.
Get the key to the car, 'cause you had enough. Then you drive through the streets like a criminal. Say peace now.
People become gynecologists, by the way. Somebody once wrote, some medical professor once wrote, men become gynecologists because as little boys, they never really got a satisfactory answer to where babies come from.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap. Being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only 'cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Hey y'all, just got home from school and I got me some beef patty and a piece of shrimp, no not shrimp, fish on the way over. I did not finish my smoothie this morning. It's so thick, bro. It's like porridge. I put too much oatmeal. I am currently watching my classmate. She has a YouTube channel. This is Skylar. So Skylar, if you're ever watching this video, I'm watching you, girl, and I'm about to binge watch. Put her YouTube down below, y'all, so if y'all want to go ahead and check her channel out, you could go ahead and do that.
Avocat banana?
Boca banana chamou com babon.
Ndi no.
Di no yo café pour toi.
Mais qui caca ça va faire là?
Bagamon.
Non, fais bon bac pour toi.
Ça me dit, c'est pas que j'ai fait pour ma travail.
All I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Maybe you say you be killing them. Gotta be sick of this. Pull up skirt, get in the ride.
Hey vlog, I recorded a reel, so I'll be inserting that in the vlog so you can see the whole process because I didn't have time to record. So this is the I gotta run.
Workforce Development Program.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding its logic. Ay. Back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Maybe it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody's home next up. Be them if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fitter. I am on a whole nother level. Barely only.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey, I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30 to 100 rounds too. My bitch, bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat down her walls, loose. Hop in the fall. I take that bitch.
Good morning, y'all.
I swear these niggas is on the.
Yes, I fell asleep wearing the clothes that I went out with last night. Don't know how that happened. I was editing like last week's vlog, and then like my eyes was burning, and I was like, let me take a minute. Next thing I know, pass out. I encourage you guys, if you watching and you like the video, like let me know that you do by either giving it a like, dropping a comment, or let me know that you like the video. Like anything will help, because I really need the motivation.
Can y'all really feel me? Feel me. East Coast, feel me. Feel me. West Coast, feel me. Say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel me? East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Can you feel me? Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I feel me. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me.
Hey vlog, your girl is back from work now. It's currently 8:30. Yeah, it is 8:30 right now, and I'm sorry I keep on saying this. I have a lot to do. I gotta clean this room. I have a lot to study for, and like you guys heard, I have a quiz next week. I have pharmacology this week I need to study for. Gotta clean this room. I got work. Like, I'm going mental, and it's not a joke. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the vlog, but before I end the vlog, I'm just going to show you guys purchase that I made for this week. This is not gonna be a usual thing. Don't get it twisted. Like, mama needs to save her coins, because next semester I might not be able to work, and so we gotta save them coins, baby. But anyway, this was one of the purchase made this week. It is a pair of like regular jeans that I got from Old Navy. These were $19. Got a Cartier. You see it. I thought this was my stethoscope, y'all, but it's a, because I need like a pair of bras like that can support me, and I did some research. Apparently this is a good one to have. Anyways, this is pretty much the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, no matter how boring or whatnot it was. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. Again, I'm just gonna put this out there. If you want more information about the program that I'm currently enrolled in, don't be scared to ask the information. I am an open book. I'm willing to answer all your questions and concerns, so drop them in the comment down below. Anyways, y'all, that's it for me. Good night.